pork and shrimp recipe.
Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel, where we share delicious and nutritious recipes for your little ones. Today, we have a special treat for you and your baby. We're going to show you how to make Pinoy-style Almondigas, but with a twist that will make it extra special. And the best part, it's perfect for baby-led weaning. So, let's dive right in. To make our Pinoy-style Almondigas, here's what you'll need. Ground pork, patola, Misua noodles, shrimp, peeled and divined, finely chopped onion, garlic, carrots, an egg and spices.
Prepare the meatballs.
Set aside the meatballs. Cook the soup base. In a pot, add water and the aromatic spice with the shrimp and bring it to a boil. Once the soup base is boiling, carefully drop in the meatballs. Let them cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the meatballs are fully cooked. And the shrimp turns pink. Remember, shrimp adds that special flavor to our almondigas.
Tip 1. To make it easier for your baby to handle, consider shaping the meatballs into smaller, bite-sized portions. This way, they can easily pick them up with their little fingers and explore the texture and taste.
Then, add the sliced patola and cook for a few minutes until slightly tender.
Patola, or sponge gourd, is a great addition to this recipe. It's soft and has a mild flavor, making it perfect for baby-led weaning. Plus, it adds some extra nutrients to the dish.
It's time to add the Misua noodles to the pot. These thin noodles cook quickly, so be sure to keep an eye on them. They usually take just a couple of minutes to cook.
Misua noodles can be a bit delicate, so to make them more baby-friendly, you can break them into smaller pieces before serving. This will make them easier for your little one to handle and chew.
Once the Misua noodles are cooked, it's time to serve up this delicious Pinoy-style Almondigas.
Baby-led weaning is all about encouraging independence and self-feeding. So, instead of spoon-feeding your baby, offer them small, manageable portions of Almondigas and let them explore the flavors and textures on their own. It's a great way to develop their motor skills and foster a positive relationship with food. And there you have it, our delicious Pinoy-style Almondigas recipe with a special twist, perfect for baby-led weaning. Remember, always supervise your baby during mealtime and consult with your pediatrician if you have any concerns. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more baby-friendly recipes and tips. Until next time, happy cooking and happy baby-led weaning!